Hello and welcome. In today's class, we'll see how we can write a Java program to check if our birthday is present in the first 1 million digits of pi. So from the internet, I have downloaded a text file which contains first 1 million digits of pi. And I have put it in my home folder. And in the same folder, I have created a Java file, birthday.java. So in this file, we can start writing our program. We'll be accessing this file through our program to check if our birthday exists in that text file. So let's start with the import statement. So we'll be using the scanner class for user input. The user will be providing his or her birthday. And we are importing classes from the java.io package to access our text file through our program. So now we can create a class and the main function. And because we are doing input output operations in a file, we have to write throws IO exception here. Now we create the scanner object. And we ask for the user's birthday. So we give a message, your birthday in this particular format. Let's take it as a string. Now here I'm assuming that the user has entered a valid date. If you want, you can write a separate piece of code to check whether the date entered was valid or not. So for simplicity, I'm assuming that the user enters a valid date. Now I can create file reader object. Now in the file reader object, we'll be providing the file name of the text file. So pi.txt. This is the file that we are going to read. And after this, we create the buffered reader object. And in its constructor, I'm going to provide the file reader object. Now from this text file, I'm going to read individual lines. So I take a string variable line and I initialize it as a blank string, an empty string. And Boolean found equals false. Because till now I have not found whether my birthday is present in the text file or not. So initially it is false. Now, while I read a line of text and as long as it is not equal to null, I keep reading. Now in Java, there's a function called contains. It checks whether one string is present in the other string or not. So we can use that function if line.contains date that was entered by the user. So it returns a Boolean value, true or false. That's why we are using it inside if. So if this condition is true, we print that yes, your birthday occurs in pi. So system.out.println your birthday occurs in pi. And from here, we change the status of found. So found becomes true now. And then we break out of loop. Now outside the loop, we check if not found. That means if found remained as false. That means we could not find our birthday. So in that case, we'll print system.out.println your birthday doesn't occur in pi. So that's our program. Let's check the output now. Let's try another one. So when I gave the year as 84, so your birthday occurs in pi. So this is an interesting program, and you also can check whether your birthday occurs in the sequence of pi or not. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next class.